you. Last night I was like thinking about what I should be doing, and I created a prototype for the purse. I'm trying to make a zero waste purse, but I don't want it to look the same as everybody else's. Everybody else's either do like a patchwork look. I don't really like a patchwork look, but my inspiration was a camera bag, and camera bag somewhere else. But I made the pattern and I can already see like it's probably not gonna work. I made a pattern and I just want to show y'all me making a prototype. This is the bag that I'm like drawing inspiration from. Just a regular Polaroid camera bag. If you look at how it's made, it's literally just one long piece of fabric and then two sides. So that's how I wanted the design to be, but I wanted it to be like slightly bigger and longer because I can't really fit nothing in here, and I wanted to be more structured. So I tried to create a pattern like that, but I think it's going to be either too big or grandma-ish. But I got some canvas fabric and I'm about to just cut out the pattern and see. Okay, so the goal for this bag is basically to be zero waste, but also be so easy to make. Usually people use a chiffon or like a transparent fabric to make their bags and then fill it up with like scrap pieces, and I was thinking about doing that, but I wanted the purse to have a little structure, so I was also thinking about using vinyl, but I don't know if vinyl is sustainable for sure. I got the one piece done. Gonna move this and cut two sides. This is just a prototype, and most likely it's not gonna work out because most of the time when I make a prototype I have to change the pattern at least one time. When I was making some of my other clothes, I had to change the design completely because on paper and on a real body looks completely different. One thing I did not think about is how this is going to get on here. Gotta figure that out. So I'm just going to take this to the sewing machine. It's the next day and I finished the little prototype of the little bag. I hope y'all can see. This is the look of it compared to this. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look how I imagined it, but I don't know, it's hard to even picture if it looks like, but I want to just like test it, see how much stuff can go in here. I wish it had more structure, but I'm glad you can't really see the stuff bulging out the bottom, but I wanted to have a little more structure in the front because it's folding flappy down. Obviously this is not the finished because it don't have no strap or whatever, but I'm gonna like just act like this is the strap and see how it looks. It's not giving right now, like I don't know, like it's missing something. I like how it's structured and it's kind of not structured like a tote bag. Like I like what it's giving, but at the same time like it's a little too flimsy for me, and I don't know if it's too long. Still trying to debate, is it a good size or should I make it a little shorter? So I'm adding these straps to see how I like it as a real purse. Right now it's looking like a little lunch bag. I ain't gonna lie, the strap, it just did it for me. It looks good. The strap, I don't know, it just made it look a little better. Like maybe that's, oh wait. Okay, here we go. I like it. I think I do kind of wish it was a little more structured, so I'm gonna have to put that into the pattern. Maybe add another seam or something. But I like how you can just throw it on, just like, oh wait, hold up. I like how you can just throw it on. Look, I got a water bottle. I love carrying around water, just throw the water in there. Like it's giving a bag and a tote bag at the same time. And the one problem I have with a tote bag is it's just too deep. It causes me to have to look for stuff for a long time. Like I like this size. I might make it slightly, what's this called? Shorter in this length. But I know I won't make it this small. But I honestly like it. Even with like a small strap. Like I think it's cute. Like it's giving tote, but it's giving purse at the same time. And I think that's cute about it. I also want to add like a patch on the front, so I might show y'all that process. I don't know, or I just might show y'all the end of the patch and see how it look. But I really like how this is. This is the prototyping process, just trying to figure out how it would look as a real purse and figuring out what I should fix. But for now, I think I'm just going to fix the length and maybe a little bit of the structure, and I think it will be good. Hey guys, I want to make a prototype of a logo. I already got everything here. I want the logo to be like 3D. At first I was thinking about doing like the little silicone labels, then I realized that's not really sustainable. So I started thinking about like embroidered. This is the finished thing. Don't mind that I didn't do it right, but I already made a prototype of this. And the first prototype is this. And this. I want it to look like the logos on the hats, but it's not giving what I want it to give. I'll probably end up doing this again and try like a different method because it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. But yeah. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show y'all when I start pulling the foam off, it the whole little thing came off. So I'm definitely going to have to go back to the drawing board.